It's circle time
with Miss Monica.
Yay!
Hey, Miss Monica, what are you doing?
Oh, Duck, I'm so happy you're here today. Today I'm doing a science experiment and I need a helper. Will you be my science helper today?
Yes, I love science.
Wonderful! Friends at home, you can be science helpers too. We can do the experiment together. Are you ready?
Yes.
Wonderful! Okay, scientists, what colors do you see?
I see red, yellow, blue.
That's right! Red, yellow, and blue. Those are our primary colors. And the big science question today is, what do you think will happen if we mix two colors together?
I don't know, maybe a new color?
Maybe a new color. Well, there's only one way to find out. We have to do it. We have to do an experiment. Okay, friends, first we're going to use paint. This is red paint, yellow paint, and blue paint. We're going to use the paint and mix colors. How about we mix red and yellow? How's that sound, Duck?
Yes, okay.
Okay, let's try. So I'm going to use little tiny cups and I have a paintbrush and some water when we need to clean the brush. So let's add some yellow paint. What color first?
Yellow.
Yellow. Let's add some yellow. Whoop. Okay. And now let's add, what color?
Red.
Red. Let's add some red paint. A little bit of red. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Okay, and now it's time to mix. Everyone say mix, mix, mix.
Mix.
Mix the paint. Mix the colors together. Mix. What color do we get? Oh, I'm going to brush the color onto the paper. Let's see what color. What color did we make? Brush. What color does that look like?
That looks like orange.
It looks orange. I bet if I add a little more yellow, it will be even brighter. Let's add a little more yellow. Okay, now let's see if it becomes brighter. Mix the colors together. Mix. Let's try it now. Whoa, it's orange. Look at that. Wow. Should we try two more colors?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. I'm going to put this to the side, but we need to clean our brush so we can use it again. So I put it in some clean water in the mix color brush water. This is just for our paintbrush. Okay. And now, I'm going to dry it just a little. Let's try two more colors. Let's try two more colors. How about blue and yellow? What do you think will happen? Let's give it a try. Add what color first?
Yellow.
Yellow. Bloop, 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 bloop. And now let's add
Blue.
blue. Okay, add a little blue. Now it's time to mix. Are you ready? Let's sing. Mix the colors together. Mix. What color did we make? Let's try and brush it on the paper. Let's see. Brush. What color? Brush.
Green.
Green. Wow, it's beautiful. We made green. Okay, let's do one more. I'm going to put that to the side. First, I need to clean my brush. Clean. All cleaned up?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Let's mix. How about blue and red? What do you think?
Okay.
Okay, let's add a little blue. Boop. And now a little red. Ooh, let's add a little more blue. I put so much red in there. Bloop. Okay, now it's time to, what do we have to do?
Mix.
Mix. Mix, mix, mix the colors together. Mix, 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 mix. What color did we make? Ooh, I wonder what color it is. Let's brush it onto the paper. Here we go. Brush. Brush. What color did we make? Brush.
That looks like purple.
It is purple. It's a deep purple. Reminds me of a plum. Purple. We did it, Duck Duck. We mix colors together. So what happens when we mix two colors together?
It makes a new color.
Yes, it does. It makes a new color. Oh, I think we can do one more fun experiment. Would you like to give it a try?
Okay.
Okay, let me get the materials. I'll be right back. Okay, Duck Duck. Now, we're going to make color fizz. This is really exciting because all of the materials here, when we mix them together, they're going to create an explosion of colors. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's give it a try. First, we're going to need baking soda. Can you say baking soda?
Baking soda.
That's in the cup. And we're going to use vinegar. Can you say vinegar?
Vinegar.
Yes. And we're going to use food coloring. Food coloring. Can you say food coloring?
Food coloring.
Okay. When we add the vinegar to the baking soda and the food coloring, it's going to start to bubble, bubble, bubble and create fizz. Color fizz. Okay, let's get started. Oh, and I can't forget, we have little droppers. This can help us add the vinegar to the cup. Okay, let's mix two colors at a time. How about this color? What color?
Red.
Red first. Let's add 2 dots of red in this cup. 1, 2. And let's mix it with this color. What color?
Yellow.
Yes, yellow. Okay, let's add 2 drops of yellow. 1, 2. Okay, and now we have to add the vinegar to the cup. Are you ready? Okay, let's count to 3. We'll add a little drop first and see what happens, and then we'll add a lot. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's starting to bubble. Let's add more. Whoa! Look at that. What color do you think it made?
It made orange.
Orange. Look at that, friends. It made orange. That's right. Okay, let's try 2 more colors. This is exciting. Let's move that to the side. Okay, we still have more baking soda. Let's do these 2. First, we'll start with what color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Let's add some yellow to the cup. And now, let's add this color. What color, friends?
Blue.
Blue. Let's add some blue to the cup. Okay, I wonder what color it's going to make. Now we need to add the vinegar. Oh, are we ready? Okay, let's add a little bit first. On the count of 3. 1, 2. It's already mixing. 3. Oh, I think we can add all of it. Here we go. Whoa! What color did we make?
It made green.
Green. Oh, that was so much fun. Look at that. And friends, if you want to try that at home or in class, ask a grown-up. Thanks for being my science helper today.
You're welcome, Miss Monica.
Oh, and thank you, friends, for being science helpers. Yay, we did it.
Clap.
Now let's play one last color game. Let's play missing colors. I'm going to take one of the colors away, but you have to close your eyes first. And when you open them, tell me what's missing. Here we go. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. What color is missing? Green. If you said green, you're correct. Green was missing. Okay, let's do one more. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. What's missing? Uh-oh. Yellow. If you said yellow, you're correct. Yellow is missing. Let's put it back. Tap, tap, tap. We did it. Thank you for playing Missing Colors.
Circle time makes learning fun. Come sing, dance, everyone now.
Quack, quack.